Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to make an origami goldfish. If you like our video, please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done it. We're gonna start with the origami paper, white side up, and we'll fold it in half diagonally. Crease, unfold and fold it again diagonally. Unfold. Now we turn the model over and we fold it in half horizontally. Crease, unfold and fold it in half vertically. And now we're going to use the creases we just made to fold it, to flatten it. And we have a water bomb base. Next we bring this corner here, crease, and then the left one as well. And then we bring this corner to the center and do the same on the left side. And then we'll bring this flap down. We fold it down and the one on the left side as well. And then we fold it like this, unfold, and we bring this flap inside this pocket. So it looks like this. And do the same on the left side. And this is a balloon base. We turn the model over and we're going to bring this side to the crease in the center. Crease. And we're going to fold it outwards so that this side, this line and this one are parallel. We'll bring this side to the central crease as well. And crease. And then we turn this flap to the left. Our model is done, but if you want, you can blow air into this hole and like this. It is a little bit hard, but you can adjust it like this. There it is, we have our goldfish. So you can also draw the eyes if you want. Thank you for watching. I hope you found our video interesting, and if you did, please give us a like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take a look at the description below this video to find links to other fun origami models and also to some interesting gift wrapping tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye.